real quick, my AC isn't blowing cold anymore. It's blowing cool, but it's not cold. So what I did was I bought this premium recharge can that has a gauge on it that I got from AutoZone, as you can see. I don't think there's any other issue other than the Freon is getting low, and I just need to add some more Freon to it. We're gonna see if this works. Hopefully it does. Let's go. Wow, that's amazing. I have my AC on and it's on high. And I got it all the way to the lowest temperature possible. All right, so it's kind of loud, as you can hear, because my engine is on, and you gotta have your car on when you're applying this application. So, to the left over here is where I'm going to tap into the line, to the AC line. Unscrew this right here, counterclockwise, of course. If you look at the top that it came off of it, mine is labeled. It has this L, and that means low line. So look for something like that that indicates that you are on the right line. The other one, because it's two, it's one right here, one right here. The other one has an H on this line, so that lets me know that it's a high line. And you want to tap into the low line, which is right there. Okay, so at the end, it has this thing right here. You see how it moves when you pull it up? So you want to push it up, and then with a little bit of force, push it down clockwise till it snaps in there, and then you release it. Push that part down. Push that part down to make sure it's snapped in there. That lets you know it's secure. You can see it. My level is in the green, but it's not cold enough. So we're gonna put a little bit more Freon in it. That's how you engage it. So you turn this to the left, and now it's on. Once you do that, turn it upside down. I'm pushing the top down onto this metal piece. Now normally you will push it with your other hand to allow the Freon to come through. All right, let's check it out. All right, now we're at the top part of the green. So you don't want to get past that. You don't want to get past that green section. You want to kind of stay right there. So I'm gonna check my AC, see what it feels like inside. Okay, we're now inside of the car, and it feels a lot cooler now. So I think I fixed the problem. I just needed to add some more Freon. If you do it right, it probably won't take you no more than 15 minutes to do a job like this. 15, 20 minutes max. All right, that's it. We're done. Cold AC, baby, we here. We back.